Starting in 2026, 50 federal tax rules are set to change, directly impacting your money in Nigeria. The government will introduce new tax exemptions and reliefs aiming to support low-income earners and small businesses. Analysts suggest this may boost small business growth, but concerns remain about implementation and ensuring the reliefs reach their intended targets. The official date for these changes to take effect is January 1, 2026. How might these extensive tax exemptions reshape Nigeria's informal economy and formal employment landscape? You're entitled to your perspective. This is a conversation, not a verdict. Follow Niger Town Hall for more Niger breaking news.